Ever wondered if there's a way to see what was browsed in incognito mode on your Android phone? A lot of people assume Incognito keeps a secret record somewhere, but is that actually true? Today, I'll walk you through what Google Chrome really does with Incognito history and what you can check on your device. Let's start with a quick reality check. When you open Google Chrome and switch to Incognito mode, the browser stops saving your browsing history, cookies, and site data. That means the usual history page won't show anything from Incognito sessions. But that doesn't mean your activity is completely invisible, just that Chrome itself doesn't store it. Now, here's the part many people don't know. You can check some activity logs that your device keeps, and Chrome gives you access to certain diagnostic information. To view this, simply open Chrome on your Android phone and type the internal Chrome link in the address bar. Once you open it, you'll see a long list of technical details. Scroll until you find Chrome history. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see various logs that Chrome records for troubleshooting. These aren't the traditional browsing history you see in normal mode, but they can reveal certain actions or timestamps from your browsing sessions, sometimes including incognito-related activity if your device logged it for system diagnostics. It's important to understand, this is not a full list of websites visited in incognito mode. Chrome doesn't save those, but logs, network records, or parental control tools on your device can still show some traces. Incognito is private from your browser history, not from your phone, your Wi-Fi provider, or monitoring tools. So now you know exactly what's possible and what isn't when it comes to checking incognito history on Chrome for Android. If this helped you understand things more clearly, make sure to check out my other tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.